Congratulations and welcome to Southern Maryland, home of the Naval Air Systems Command, Naval Air Warfare Center Aircraft Division, Command Fleet Readiness Center, and the Program Executive Offices teams. We're very happy you're joining us.
We know you may be nervous about starting a new job, so we've put together some tips to make you feel at ease.
During orientation, the dress code will be business casual. Once you get to your regular work area, your coworkers and supervisor will let you know what's best for your workspace or office. Your employee orientation will last anywhere from 1 to 2 days. It'll take place just outside Gate 2 of Patuxent River Naval Air Station in Building 2189, otherwise known as the Frank Knox Building. Doors open at 7 a.m. and your orientation will begin at 7:30. This is the parking lot you'll be using. We've also created the NAVAIR Building Locator app. It will be a valuable tool to help you find our buildings. Once you enter the Frank Knox building, security will check to see that you have your picture ID and your offer letter. They will direct you to the auditorium where the HR team will be waiting to greet you and process the documentation required to complete your check-in.
Now, let's take a look at what else we'll be doing to welcome you.
We'll ask you to recite the oath of office. This oath has been in existence throughout the history of our nation, and we take it very seriously. In addition to the required paperwork for your Common Access card, you may also be fingerprinted to complete the security process. Once you receive your card, it will give you access to the base, many buildings, and your government computer. You'll be issued a temporary pass in the meantime. We'll also provide training, including our goals of increasing readiness and delivering new capabilities faster. We'll further walk you through enrolling for benefits. You'll then have time for lunch.
There are many options on and off base, and we can provide you several recommendations if you are not familiar with the area. After lunch, we'll provide more required training to wrap up your day.
On day 2, your training will continue in the Frank Knox building, and just like day 1, you'll have time for lunch. After lunch, you'll have the opportunity to take a guided bus tour of the base so you can get a look around. Even though you won't report to your workspace or meet your coworkers until day 3, you may get a chance to check out where your building is located. Your day will end shortly after the tour. We'll still be available to answer any last-minute questions you may have to prepare you for your first day of work.
Your supervisor and coworkers will then help you settle in and provide additional assistance and resources to get you started.
If you have additional questions about housing and on-base hotels, daycare, schools, and family support, the Morale, Welfare, and Recreation Office can provide the answers, in person or on their website.
Once again, welcome. We're thrilled to have you as part of the team.